Hi, my name is Ava. Sorry. Let's get on to the story. The story is about Queen Elizabeth I. Okay. Queen Elizabeth I was born September 7th, 1533, not yet the Queen, to King Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn. Elizabeth's mother was killed in 1560 when Elizabeth was 2. Daddy, why does Mommy have to die?
Off with her head!
No, Mommy! After Anne Boleyn was killed because she had a girl and she promised King Henry she would have a boy, which is so weird. I mean, who or what king... Oh, sorry. Elizabeth's half-brother Edward VI ruled until 1553, then died. But before he died, he thought his sisters Mary and Elizabeth shouldn't rule over England. But Mary did rule after Edward. Mary thought if people aren't Catholic because she was Catholic, then they should be killed. So people thought she should be called Bloody Mary.
What? Why should I be called Bloody Mary?
That is mean. In 1558, Elizabeth becomes queen and rules by good counsel instead of killing people that disagree with her. Her coronation was January 15th, 1559. She also started the Protestant Church that became the Church of England. She ruled for 45 years. Thank you.